Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll see a problem based on numerical integration using the rules. The problem is use Simpson 1/3 rule to find integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square into dx by taking 6 sub intervals. Solution. So the given integral, let I is equal to integration of 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square into dx. So here we need to first identify what is a value is 0, b value is 0.6 and value of y. So value of y is e raised to minus x square. So once we get this, so we need to work out for n first. So here what they have said, by taking 6 sub interval. So here the n value is 6. So with the help of this we can go for h now. So therefore, so the value of h is b minus a divided by n. So b is 0.6 minus 0 divided by 6. So h is equal to 0.6 divided by 6. So it will become 0.1. So h value is 0.1 and y is e raised to minus x square, a is 0 and b is 0.6. So now we'll construct a table now. So for the table we'll see here, by using the calculator I want to work out the table. So just concentrate all of you. So this equation will prepare in the calculator, that is go for mode table, that is option 7. Then write this e raised to minus x square. So e raised to, so you have to use shift lan, you find e raised to box. So in that e raised to box you again use minus alpha x square. You can find here f of x is equal to e raised to minus x square, what we have exactly same. Then go for equal to sign, it will ask starting value. So starting value you give as a is equal to 0, starting value is 0, end value is 0.6. okay, so starting value is 0, end value is 0.6 as per the in the integral they have given. So the function is varies from 0 to 0.6. So same thing we have to give here. So therefore a starting value is what here, 0, end value is 0.6. Then it will ask the step size. Step size just now we have calculated, that is h is 0.1. So we'll enter that value now, that is 0.1. Press equal to sign. So you can find here the values, that is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So if you count, it is total 7. So we'll prepare a table for this and we'll enter this complete data in the table now. So we'll enter the values here. X value, so y is equal to e raised to minus x square. So this is y0, y1. So first I will take the values from the calculator and we'll enter. So the first value is 0, 0.1, 0.2 till 0.6, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. You can see here. So we will start from 0 and end with 0.6. So the table also it is ending what here in the same manner. So with respect to this, the values I want to write down here. So you can use the side cursor. So 1. So for 0 it is 1. Okay, and next for 0.1, so 4 decimal place I will write, that is 0.99004. so I will take 4 decimal place, so 0.99 it is, 0.9900 is there, so I will leave it. Next, So you see this value for 0.2, it is 0.9607. So I will make 0.9608. I will make 0.9608. Similarly, for 0.3, 0.9139, 0.9139. Similarly, for the next values, that is for 0.4, it is 0.85214, so 0.8521. Next, for 0.5, 0.7788, so 0.7788. And last one, for 0.6, it is 0.69767, so 0.6977, 0.6977. So with the help of this value, and we can say that this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So by Simpson 1/3 rule, by Simpson's 1/3 rule. So what formulas here? So formula is I is equal to, that is integration a to b y dx is equal to 1/3 means h upon 3. So y0 plus y6. So it is varies from y0 to y6, first plus last, plus 4 times bracket plus 2 times bracket. So in the last bracket, multiple of 2 means y2 plus y4 plus y6 will come. Y6 already we have taken, so only y2 plus y4. So remaining is here. So y0 over y6 over y2 over y4. Remaining you write down y1, y3 plus y5. So once we get, so from the table we have to enter the datas now. So we'll enter the data, that is integration 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square into dx equal to h value. So h value is 0.1. So 0.1 upon 3 bracket y0 value from the table, it is 1, plus y6 value is 0.6977 plus 4 times, enter the value of y1. So y1 from the table, it is 0.99 plus y3 value from the table 0.9139 plus y5 value from the table 0.7788, close it, plus I will write down here 2 times bracket y2 value from the table 0.9608 plus y4 value from the table 0.8521, close it. So these all values will, so if you enter all these values in the calculator, you will see that the result will be 0.5351. That is integration of 0 to 0.6 e raised to minus x square dx. So this is the required solution of the given data using Simpson 1/3 rule.